know how much fun it is to see your favorite dinosaur? Now imagine how much fun it is to see your favorite dinosaur in his very own stage show.
Is everyone ready to have a studio ten this time?
Get ready for Barney's big surprise. A live video recording of his first ever national stage show tour. Join Barney, David Bob, and a host of old new friends as they come together to celebrate a oops. It's a surprise. There's music, laughter, and fun galore as Barney brings all his very special friends into your very own home. You'll see Mother Goose, Professor Tinkerbutt, and many more. So get ready to clap your hands, because this is one super duper surprise you'll never forget.
When I get this big, I think I need everyone's help.
Don't miss Barney's big surprise. Now available on home video from Lyrick Studios. Ready for an out-of-this-world adventure with your favorite purple friend. Come on, everyone! That's right! It's everyone's favorite dino starring in his very first cosmic adventure, Barney in outer space. When Barney and his friends discover a new friend on another planet, they zoom out to meet her, learning about the wonders of the universe all along the way.
In outer space, alright.
Come along as these space cadets explore new worlds and make new friends, including a real live astronaut.
The spaceship has a guest.
With plenty of great songs and lots of imagination, it's an adventure you won't soon forget. So grab your spacesuits, because this super duper spaceship is about to blast off. Don't miss Barney in outer space. Now available on home video from Lyrick Studios. Not so far away, there's a wonderful wetland where nature comes alive like never before. It's a magical place full of laughs, songs, and lots of friends.
I'm Agdish, explorer extraordinaire.
Welcome to Groundling Marsh, home to some of Mother Nature's most delightfully unusual characters. Join Galileo and Maggie, Echo and Crystal, Mudslinger and Agdish,
Did somebody mention my name?
and Stax as they share an adventure after adventure and learn many valuable lessons.
How do you feel about sharing miracle pop with Maggie?
Get ready for plenty of laughs and a whole lot of fun when you come on down to Groundling Marsh, living proof that Mother Nature has a sense of humor. Don't miss Groundling Marsh, now on public television. Have you ever seen anything like that in your life? Check your local listings or call your public television station for the viewing time in your area. And watch for Groundling Marsh on home video from Lyrick Studios.
Groundling Marsh. Listen to your inner voice. Your conscience is the key. Just listen to your
Choices count, entertain, while teaching you very important ideas that sometimes making choices isn't easy. Choices are what it's all about. Having fun with it seems from bananas and pajamas to a big comfy couch and a wishbone. Choices count in 60 minutes of fun. The kids and parents alike. Look for Choices Count in store near you.